Hi, today I'd like to teach you by the Rolling Stones. I'm tuned to open G, GDG. The song is in A, so if you want to play along with the record, you will have to get a capo. If you don't have a capo, you can use a pencil and a bunch of elastics. Like just break the pencil or cut the pencil in half, and it'll just be about this long, and you can put on and wrap some elastics around it. It works fine as a capo. But I'm going to teach it to you today in G to make it easy for everybody. Open middle string, 3, twice on 5, 3, twice on 5, 3, once on 5, once on 3. Like that. And I use, I think, just about all downstrokes in this song to sort of keep the feel. Then you go up here to 10 and 9, and then 8 and 7. 10 being on the middle, 9 on the high, 8 on the middle, 7 on the high. That's the first half of the lick. Second half of the lick starts the same, 0 in the middle, 3, 2 5s, 3, then you go right to the 10 and 9, and then you do a hammer from 3 to 5, 3, that's on the middle string, 3 on the low, just roll your finger over, then open. If you can, when you do the hammer from 3 to 5, try to include the 3 on the high string. Like that. I'll play the second part. And there's plenty of room. It doesn't run right into the lick again. There's a very, very slight pause. I think it's just a little bit faster than that. And when I'm playing it myself, by myself, I like to keep the low string going. So fortunately for us, there's only 2 parts to the song. The second part starts on the 5th fret. Goes to the 10th fret, 12th fret, back to the 5th fret, 2nd fret, 7th fret. I'll play that for you and then show you how to do the rhythm. So your basic rhythm for that is you don't have to try to do that. Your hand's going down and up normally. So you're basically just skipping. So you do the 5th fret twice as long as the other ones. Start again on the 5th fret, twice as long. Then to the 2nd fret. And you can fill in a little bit more like I did there if you like. Now on the 7th. If you want to play along with the record, put a capo. Yeah, even a crazy one like this. Have a great day. Bye.